Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. Let's solve IMO paper for class 5. In this video you will learn how to solve IMO question with all the tips and tricks. So let's start the video. Which of the following options will complete the pattern in figure X? Now see the figure X carefully. Now see the figure X on the right side. I have given 3 clues in form of 1, 2, 3. So first clue is the circle black and white. Second clue is the angle forming at the corners of the square. And third is the square forming at the center of the circle. Now follow these 3 clues. You will get your answer. Write your answer in the comment and you can check your answer at the end of video. In a certain code language, batch is coded as ABSDG. How will forsake be coded in that language? Now code for batch is given. So first write in a tabular form. So for B it is A, and for A it is B. For T it is S, for C it is D, for H it is G. So the formula for this code is first letter the code will be previous letter. For second letter the code will be next letter. Now make a table for forsake. Now for F the code will be previous letter. For O next letter. For R previous letter. For S next letter. Like that you find the code for forsake. Meenal was facing the school at first. After she made a turn, she was facing the swimming complex. What was the angle and direction of her turn? So you have to find the angle and direction of her turn. So first Meenal was facing the school, and after that she made a turn and she was facing the swimming complex. See the figure on the right side. Now tell which angle will be formed and which direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now clockwise and anti-clockwise, you will imagine a clock, how it moves. It is clockwise and the opposite side is anti-clockwise. Arrange the given words in descending order according to their values. Now you have to arrange trillion, billion, million, thousand and hundred in descending order. Now see the International Number System chart. We know that for 100 we have 2 zeros in 100, so it is 10 to the power 2. Now for 1000 it is 10 to the power 3 because it has 3 zeros. For million we have 10 to the power 6 because it has 6 zeros. For billion we have 9 zeros in billion, so we will write it as 10 to the power 9, and trillion 10 to the power 12 because it has 12 zeros. Now you arrange them in descending order, that is from greatest to smallest. Which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst languages French and German? Now French and German are languages, so they both will come under the circle languages. Now both are different languages, so form a different circle for both the languages. You can see the solution below. Select the correct mirror image of figure X if the mirror is placed along MN. Now see the figure on the right side. So I have placed the mirror image along MN. Now choose which option is this. Mohit correctly remembers that he visited Kerala before 12th of June but after 8th of June. His sister correctly remembers that Mohit visited Kerala after 10th of June but before 14th of June. On which day of June did Mohit visited Kerala? Now, as per Mohit, his visiting date is between 8th and 12th June. So, as per Mohit, his visiting dates can be 9th, 10th or 11th June. Now, as per her sister, his visiting date is between 10th June and 14th June. So, as per her sister, his visiting dates can be 11th, 12th or 13th June. Now, common date between them is 11th June. So, answer will be 11th June. In each of the following number, The first and second digits are interchanged. Then which will be the third highest number? Now see the numbers. We have to interchange the first and second digit. Now after interchanging first and second digit, the number form will be 849, 451, 564, 593 and 873. Now arrange them from highest to lowest. So 873 is greater than 849, which is greater than 593, which is greater than 564, which is greater than 451. So after interchanging, the third highest number is 593 and the original number was 953. So the correct option is D. Find the missing number if the same rule is followed in all the three figures. The same rule is followed in all the three figures. We have to find the missing number. So you can see the solution for first figure, 12 into 8 minus 12 plus 8. So 96 minus 20 equals to 76. Now for second, same, 13 into 9 minus 13 plus 9. So it is 117 minus 22 equals to 95. And for third, 7 into 6 minus 7 plus 6. So it is 42 minus 13 equals to 29. So correct option is B. How many unit cubes are required to make the given figure? Now count the unit cubes required to make the given figure. So I'll give you a hint. In the lowest layer, the number of cubes required are 13. Now you have to find the number of cubes for the middle and top layer and then choose the correct answer. You can check your answers at the end of video. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of proportion symbol. Identify the relationship and find the missing figure. Now one set is complete and in one set one relationship is missing. You have to choose from ABCD which relationship will come in place of question mark. Now it's an easy one, you can try yourself. You can see the answer at the end of video. Read the information carefully and answer the question. Rohan and Karthik are good in cricket and volleyball. Sarthak and Rohan are good in cricket and basketball. Gautam and Karthik are good in volleyball and cricket. Who is good in all the three games? Now, in this type of questions, it is better to form a table as shown below. So, we will form a table for cricket, volleyball and basketball. Now, as we read the sentence, we will write the names under these games. So, first sentence is Rohan and Karthik are good in cricket and volleyball. So, write the name of Rohan and Karthik under cricket and volleyball. For Sarthak and Rohan are good in cricket and basketball. So, write their names under these games. Gautam and Karthik are good in volleyball and cricket. So, write their names under these games. Now, you can easily see from table who is good in all the three games. Which of the following figure will continue the same series as established by the problem figures? Now see the problem figure. Now you have to find a figure which will continue the given series. So look at the clues, the circle, the arrow, the semicircle and the shaded part. Now follow these clues in each of the figure and choose the correct answer. You can see answer at the end of video. Some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 followed by 4 options containing combination of these numbers. Find the combination of numbers so that letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful word. Now arrange the letters in such a way that the given letters form a meaningful word. So you can see what word is forming here is muscle. Now what letters? For M it is 5, for U it is 6, for S it is 4. Like that you choose the number series from option A, B, C, D. Which of the following is a symmetric figure? Now choose from option A, B, C, D which figure is symmetric. Try yourself. If you don't know the answer, you can check the answer at the end of video. Check answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.